Thanks to the strong northeast monsoon and its pristine mountains and waters, Yuanli is perfect for breeding mitten crabs. The stronger the northeast monsoon, the fresher and sweeter the crabs get. Some locals have started an eco-friendly farming method where mitten crabs and giant freshwater prawns can coexist. Now I'm off to catch some prawns myself. Good morning.
Hello.
You're hauling in the nets now, right?
Yeah, we're catching prawns.
Can I help?
All right, stand over here.
Show me how to do it.
Here. We'll pull this up first with the two of them.
Let's pull the net up, yeah?
Yeah, just pull it over.
It's got shrimp in it, right?
Giant freshwater prawns.
These are huge.
Not bad.
Are you saying these are small? It looks big enough.
We've got bigger ones over there.
This one's a real jumper.
Very lively.
Boss, is this a big catch for today?
Not really. Just the average.
Just average, but it's starting to look like a heavy load.
This is the usual amount. This is more or less 50 pounds.
Are we picking them up by hand?
Yeah, just the big ones.
Oh, grab the big ones.
Leave the small ones. Watch out.
They bite?
You'll bleed if you get pricked.
Oh, they're alive and kicking. Is this big enough?
It's all right.
So do I let it go?
Just put it there. There's 15 or 16 prawns in 1 pound.
It's impressive how you can tell the weight just by looking at it.
Years of experience.
I guess this is going to take a while.
Yeah, it does take some time. Gotta pick them out.
Both mitten crabs and giant freshwater prawns grow in a clean, natural environment packed with micro-minerals, and the county government closely monitors everything, from the seedlings and feed to water quality. That's why each one is so full of energy. The owner said that because the prawns and crabs are so fresh, they taste amazing, even when prepared simply. This is a feast. Are these the prawns we caught a while ago? Each one looks huge.
Yes.
You've got a lot of prawn dishes. Are they cooked in different ways?
Yeah, there's pepper prawns, salt roasted prawns, and steamed prawns. This one is lemon prawns.
With all this food, we should talk less and eat more. I'll have this first.
Okay.
Join me.
All right.
Want me to peel it off for you?
No, I got this. The prawn fat is perfectly safe to eat.
Really? You can eat this?
Yeah, it's all natural. Try it and see for yourself.
I've never seen it like this before. It's so yellow.
Its texture is firm and tender.
So meaty. It's kind of like melted butter. Just melts in your mouth.
Yes.
And then you get a hint of egg yolk in there too.
And the prawn has this creamy, milky taste. It's got that rich flavor.
All right, here I go.
Good, right?
Yeah, it's like a blast from the past. My mom's Thai, so I used to visit Thailand a lot as a kid and had these prawns.
Oh.
It's got a real sweet, fresh flavor. Sometimes when you eat prawns, the meat falls apart as soon as you bite into it.
Yes.
But not this one, it's solid in every bite. Besides these freshwater prawns, we have this. What's this?
Our mitten crabs.
I've never tried mitten crabs before. This is my first time. I noticed the stuff up there when I came in. Are those awards? There's a lot.
Yeah, those are from competitions held by the Miaoli County government.
A mitten crab competition? Why do the mitten crabs here keep winning? What's the secret to it?
The quality of water. The water from the Yutan Reservoir. Great water quality produces top-notch mitten crabs.
So the crabs thrive here because of clean water and mountains?
Yeah.
How do we eat this? I've got no clue.
Start by grabbing the scissors to cut this off.
Are we only eating the meat?
The crab fat.
Now the fat.
As for females, it's the roe. Here it's pretty hard.
And then just twist it?
Yeah, this is edible.
Again, this is the first for me. I wonder if I'll like the taste.
Give it a try.
I think it's a bit similar to that prawn fat, but compared to the prawns, this is even creamier, thicker, richer, and the meat is really soft.
Right.
Very fresh and melts in your mouth.
The male ones are fresher and sweeter.
These are all steamed, so not much seasoning, right?
Correct, we just steamed it.
That's amazing. I highly recommend everyone to have a meal here. On the left, you've got the rice fields. On the right, there's a river. It's so peaceful. Plus, you get to enjoy the freshest seafood while listening to the insects and birds chirping. The stunning mountains and clear waters of Yuanli, combined with experts' experience and passion for growing organic rice, have made mitten crabs and giant freshwater prawns Miaoli's champions for years. Their unique aroma and taste are the best in Taiwan, making them the pride of the mitten crab market. They often sell out as soon as they hit the market. Besides nature's beauty, Yuanli holds many stories from the past. Let's keep exploring. There's a pastry shop that's been operating for over 50 years in Yuanli. It's famous throughout Taiwan for its mung bean pastry that's said to be one of a kind. They insist on using only natural ingredients and no artificial flavors in each piece. It may be simple, but it's rich in taste. I heard that this is a must-have treat for Yuanli people during celebrations. I've heard that mung bean pastries are a big deal in Yuanli.
Yeah, people love it. Mung bean and egg yolk pastries are especially popular among the locals. Some people are vegetarians, so we have pastries made for them, and egg yolk pastries for ovo-lacto-vegetarian.
Oh, I see. You're second generation, right?
Yeah, I am.
What kind of improvements did you make when you took over the business?
Well, my dad, being the first generation, was more of an old-school master. They did everything by estimate.
Oh, kind of like feeling it out.
Yeah, so when making pastries, he'd judge the taste, the amount of ingredients, or even the baking time based on intuition. He'd decide they were ready just by checking the color on the bottom. When I joined the business, I modernized it.
Oh, you quantified the process.
Yeah, I digitized the steps.
You standardized everything.
So now the pastries are more consistent.
Also, each piece tastes great with the same delicious flavor.
Even the crust's crispiness is also more consistent.
I was told you have 3 special flavors here. What are they?
Our most popular ones are braised pork, original, and curry.
Braised pork, original, and curry. I've got a sweet tooth, so I'll go for the original first.
Okay.
Let me try. It's really crispy on the outside while the inside is packed, giving it a nice layered texture. Anyone with a sweet tooth is going to love this. I've never had the other flavors like braised pork or curry. Are those common flavors, braised pork?
Not a lot of shops make that one. This one is marinated with sugarcane, so it has a lighter sweetness.
It reminds me of braised pork rice. It has that hint of sweetness.
Yes.
There's a savory note at the end. Is it onions?
It's scallions, just a bit of it.
Oh, scallions.
Yes.
That's why I feel like there's onions in it.
Just enough to enhance the flavor. It isn't too strong, more like a garnish.
When you first bite into it, you get a sweet taste followed by the savory braised pork and then a subtle kick of scallions at the end. The flavors unfold beautifully.
Sure.
This time I'll choose the curry one. Is it a spicy kind of curry? Or more like the sweet Japanese one?
The latter.
So flavorful.
The bean paste has a sweet flavor.
The curry smell is pretty strong. Stop by and sit down if you've got time to spare. The calligraphy on the wall really captures the warmth, hospitality, and sincerity of this pastry shop. The story of blending the old and new continues to unfold in many parts of Yuanli.